Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about which one you supposed to focus at this time. Is this marriage or is this career? Which one you must focus at this time? So there are people. This is for single, those who are single or those who are not in relationship, like those who are married and then divorced or separated. So for them. This is not for those who are already married. So this is for them who wants to actually get married with someone, or who wants to focus on the career and want to do something and got confused. For those people, or those who are in separate already married but in separation situation. So for them, so the which one you supposed to focus for the next 6 months. I would give a small introduction of myself, that is about me, and that is a 2 minutes introduction. If you wish to listen to that, you can, or you can skip this introduction part. It's as per your wish. Those who are new to my channel, for them, I'm a psychic medium. I'm a tarot card reader. I do tarot card reading intuitively. That means whenever I do tarot card reading, that's like I do it with spirit guidance. I am graduated, or I'm a bachelor's from University of Edinburgh, Scotland. I have done this bachelor's from divine spirituality. That is in the subject of divine spirituality. I am a healer since last 14 years. I am a Karuna Reiki and Ushishui Sheki Rohoyo healer. That is master of Ushishui Sheki Rohoyo, and I am also a Kabbalah expert. I learned Kabbalah from outside of India, that is in Jerusalem. I spent 2 years there, and then I learned Kabbalah. About the healing technique, I'm practicing healing since last 14 years, and I am a tarot card reader since last 8 years. I have done my tarot card reading from Academy of Tarot India, and that is level 1, level 2, and level 3 passed out. So I'm a A plus grade student. I also do vision reading. Those who are pass over, those who are missing, or those who are in no contact situation for a long time, many years, or those who are basically wants to know about past life, they can contact me for vision reading. My contact details are mentioned on the description box, WhatsApp number, email ID, and Skype. Let's get started. So I have made a choice of three. This is green jade, lapis lazuli, and mahogany. All my favorite stones: green jade, lapis lazuli, and mahogany. Please close your eyes, focus, and then choose one of the object you like, you wish to. That's the stone. Let's start with green jade. Which one you supposed to focus? That's on career or marriage? Which one you supposed to focus on? For next 6 months, should you focus on career or should you focus on marriage? So those who choose green jade, you guys are in sun moon rising. You guys are um, Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn, Aries, Leo, and Saggy. Um, Also Libra, Aries, Leo, Saggy, Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. So what I'm seeing here, if you focus on marriage, you already got your soulmate. or you are about to get your soulmate. You are about to begin a new love life on month of August or month of October, and you are getting your soulmate there. Like your soulmate is coming in your life, and you will have very good communication with him or her, and you also have a very good, you will make a very good sexual connection or sensual connection with him or her. And if you do delay for like delay in this marriage, they probably pissed off and they will probably withdraw. So there are great chances that you may get married with your soulmate in next few months, next 8 to 9 months, and then you have a chance to get married with him or her. They're already coming from your past life, and they are your true soulmate, and I'm seeing that they are coming. This would be a new relationship. I'm not talking about any old relationship. This is a new relationship. A new person is coming in your life. You will have great communication with this person. You will share a great physical connection, great emotional level connection with this person. And this is kind of a great things happening in your personal life, that is basically in your relationship. And I think you pursue marriage this time, leaving the career behind, because there are nothing much in your career. Those who choose green jade, you guys are in you guys your birthday probably would be 7, 25 and 16, 3, 12 and 21, 8, 26 and 17, number 1, 10 and 28, number 10, and then 2, 20 and 11, and then number 13. So this would be your date of birth, or your the person who is coming in your life, their date of birth. So this is something very different. Things are not going fine in your career already. I think you lost the job, or you are about to lose the job, just because of somebody, someone will do politics, play politics with you in the job, like not in personal life, but where you work there, somebody is playing politics behind you, and you are not aware of that, and you probably lose the job, and there would be a battle between your mind, like in your mind, like whether to stay back in this job or whether not to stay back in this job. You even may take a decision to do your own business after losing this job. And I'm seeing that somebody is already jealous of you. They not only 1 or 2 person, looks like there are 2 3 people who are, some are playing politics behind you, some are jealous about you, and you probably would not look for another job anymore. You probably would prefer to start your own business. So there is nothing happening in your career as if now. If you are already in business, I'm seeing some new partnership or new venture you would look for, because somebody is going to cheat you in this business, probably your customer, client, or your business partner. So things are not fine in your career. If we look at the career perspective, things are not going fine. But if you will look at your life towards marriage, then it is good. Like you have your soulmate coming in, and they will come, and you will share a great communication things with him. Like you and he will have good communication. You and he or she will have good physical connection. And if you do delay in this marriage, they probably withdraw, because they want to get married as soon as possible. So here are those who choose green jade. For them, you must choose to get married now. This is the time to get married and settle down in your personal life. This is not for a time to give to career. I'll take one card. This is what I want to know, what Jesus is saying. This is from Bible chapters, and this is the cards of Jesus. So I want to know what Jesus is saying. Blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it. So Luke chapter 11 by 28. So this is what he is saying, that this time universe and God wants you to settle down in your personal life. So please do that. Blessed are those who actually hear their word and maintain their word, maintain God's word, and do according to him. Now for those who choose lapis lazuli, so let's see what thing you would choose? Either career you're supposed to choose for next 6 months, or marriage. Whether to choose career, whether to choose marriage. I think this card also goes there because I took it out. This is not the time for those who choose lapis lazuli. This is not the time to focus on your personal life, because you are already have gone through on like you have gone through many suffering already. You are heartbroken. There is somebody in your life, there were somebody in your life who actually broke your heart and actually backstabbed you. Like you failed to get that person, and that person was basically cheating you. They were doing something behind you, and you are begun to think that what is wrong with me. And then you get to know, no, there were nothing wrong with you. There were two person in his life or her life, and they were like juggling between both of the person. Oh, the situation is limbo for them. They were like obsessed about sexual obsession about somebody else, and they will same time they want to go for you. So that was very tricky situation. That was worst situation, I would say. um, you have gone through an awful situation. Now, if I look at your career, there is a new beginning in your career. Everything is going to happen good. Like you are getting money, and that is from month of October. You are getting your financial status is going to change. You will earn more money, or you will get promotion, and your bosses are helping you out here. Your bosses, your co-workers are already with you. They are supporting you, and you can actually enchant them. You have that such magical power that you can enchant them into the situation. You can manifest into the situation where they can get into in such place that you they will give you promotion. Your co-workers are helping you out. Your boss is with you, and you have a new beginning in your career. Very good. Career is like your career should be your main focus, major focus at this point of time. You must not focus in your personal life, because there are already many things happen and you are going through many things, and still you are suffering there. So I think this is the time for your transformation, and you must not focus in your relationship anymore. Let's see what suggestion card says. In all tests of character, then who viewpoints are pitted against each other. I forget to tell your zodiac sign here. You guys are in Sun Moon Rising. You guys are basically Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, and Cancer, Scorpion, and Sagittarian, and also a Libra, Aquarian, and Gemini. Your date of birth would be like 422 and 13, and 725 and 16, number 10, 1 and 28, and some people number 2 and number 13. So this would be your date of birth. The name, initial or the last, first or last name of the name words would be W or D or S or N or a K or T or H. So what universe suggests you? Oh my god, what is happening? What is that universe is suggesting you? In all tastes of character, when two viewpoints are pitted against each other in the final analysis, the thing that will strike you the most is not who was right or wrong, strong or weak, wise or foolish, but who went to the greater length of considering the other's perspective. That means, like, whether you did right or wrong, or whether you were wise or foolish, you are going to get your promotion. That is for there. That is for sure, because your boss is with you. Your actually reporting authority is supporting you, your management is supporting you, and also your co-workers, they are supporting you. So that's why there is a new beginning in your career, and you are getting good promotion over there. You are actually, you would be promoted over there. So you must focus in your career rather than focusing in your relationship. When you finally see what this whole time space things is all about, you are going to laugh, you are going to cry, and you are going to be so happy you loved as much as you did. At end of the journey, it doesn't matter who cheated you or who betrayed you. It matters that you were happy at the time when you loved that person. I know that person, the person, particular person we are talking about, or your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner, they betrayed you. They actually backstabbed you. They were with somebody else and they keep manipulating you. They are the narcissist manipulator. But even though you enjoyed a beautiful time, you had some little bit time spent with you, and that was quite like you enjoyed it, and that is more than enough. Universe is saying that please forget that betrayal, because you are going through lots of things and you are becoming mentally and physically weak just because of this relationship and unable to focus on your career. Please focus on your career, because your career is really important, and you are getting a turning point in your career. Let's see those who choose mahogany. For them, what exactly comes up? Oh my god, what is this? Cards. What you suppose choose, career or relationship? Career or relationship? Wow. So I'm so happy looking at this. Those who choose mahogany, you can focus in anything. Like, you can focus, if you wish, you focus on your marriage. If you wish, you focus on your career. So both are like, looks like both are um, like both of the places you are getting a new chance to start everything all over again. You are a leader itself. And here, if you choose marriage, to get married with someone, you being you being in relationship, and that relationship did not work out well, then you tried healing yourself, and you had there were some spiritual growth within you, and now you are about to find your best person. Like, that is like true soulmate or twin flame. You are going to get your twin flame in another 3 to 4 months. So best thing is happening, and between you both, and you both are going to communicate with each other. You both are so knowledgeable, and you both have the same spiritual level, and you both are going to be united forever. You guys are in sun moon rising. You guys are basically Aries, Leo, and Saggy, and Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn, and Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisceans. Your date of birth would be 9, 18, and 27, and 7, 25, and 16. And for some people, it is number 4, and 22, and 13. And for some people, it is number 5, number 3, number 26, number 17, number 8, number 16. So that's all about your numbers, that is date of birth. And I'm seeing even in job, you left your earlier job, or you left your earlier career. If you are in business, you left your earlier business for some of XYZ reason, because there were no profit coming in, or from job you were not getting good um, what to say, how to put it across, good um, appreciation. You They were not appreciating you in your previous job, but now you are going to get a new job from month of September, and that job, basically your boss, your reporting authority or management, they are going to help you out, they are going to appreciate you. And what a coincidence, like the time is so good. From August, September, you can even get married with someone if you wish, and you can even do good in your job. So you can focus on both, and being, because your spiritual strength is heavy, like you have that level of spirituality or spiritual level up, you can manage both of them together. Like even you can focus in your career, and you focus on your marriage at the same time. Like you can get married with the right person, and that right person is coming in your life within 4 months, probably your twin flame, twin soul, or your true soulmate. And this time you did not lose your mind. Because your mind is under your control, you have balanced that, and I'm seeing that whatever decision you will take, you will actually think and take, which is a very good thing, very good thing. And you are not going to uh, put destruction in your life, your own life, and things would be very good with you. Like either you focus on marriage or you focus on career. I'm seeing in career, like everything is going to be fine after September. You are getting a new job, good salary. Whether the last job, whatever happened in your last job or past business, but whatever the loss you have gone through, no matter what it is, but you are going to get good promotion, good help in your in your current job, the job you are going to get on month of September. That's like that time is about to begin. And I'm seeing this card which says that your management, the particular job you will start on September. That job you will find good management people. Your management will help you out. And here I'm seeing, in even in your personal life, you are finding somebody who is caring, who is family oriented person. They are coming, they are communicating with you. He or she has the same spiritual level like you have, and you both are going to get married soon. So this is an excellent pile, I will say. What to say, you either you focus on job or career, you are like in win-win situation. Thank you guys for watching my video, and let me write down on comments whatever the topic you want, or whatever you want to listen from me, whatever the help I can do. And for personal reading, you have to check description box. Thank you guys, have a blessed day, God bless you.